2 minutes, తమ్ముడు. Thank you. 2 minutes. 2 నిమిషాలు. Firstly, I want to thank and welcome all the senior journalists who are here. The print.
अरे 1 मिनट सुन तो लो.
All the media personnel, thank you so much for gracing this event. It means a lot to us. All your support. Thank you. I love you.
अच्छा 1 मिनट. What we'll do is
2 minutes.
सुनो
2 minutes.
एक काम करते हैं.
2 minutes, please.
सर एक बार मैं कहता हूं इस तरफ हाथ हिला दीजिए, एक बार उस तरफ, फिर ये सब शांत बैठ जाएंगे. Thank you. Now that side. Thank you. Now we'll talk. Now we'll take this आगे. Lovely यार, कमाल लोग हो तुम. Okay. So yes, please go ahead, sir.
I think it's an incredible last 2 years. This movie has been embedded in every cell of us. We've been living this, breathing this for the last 2 years. Mr. Butchi Babu has been living, breathing this for the last 5 years. So it's a lot of investment. And I want to thank Butchi Babu for one reason, for convincing Mr. Rahman sir to be on that board on this project. Thank you, Butchi Babu. You know, I'm sure every project has 4 or 5 pillars, but this is the center pillar. The center pillar is R. Rahman sir. It is so needed. The way he composed movies like these and many movies like this he's composed. Especially, I love your works. And Pele sir, it is one of my favorite background scores. So it is such an honor to be in his presence, in his films that he is part of. Thank you so much for being part of Peddi sir. And Devendra, thank you, man. You're a gangster. No, Sahi gangster. His personality is almost like a giant personality. The way he carries every word, every dialogue, the expression. He's got a swag. He's got his own way, and the body language is something that I would like to develop or inculcate.
You have it already.
And of course, this is my 5th film or 4th film with Randy sir. He's a master. He's a master. He etched every frame so beautifully in the post, in the shoot. Thank you so much for. And Johnny ma'am, thank you. No, I've not seen such a diligent person in my life. The way she is working so hard. She used to rehearse the last day we just shot a song. I didn't have time because we were shooting 85 days continuously, and then the song landed up. I was like, I was learning there and I was doing it, and I didn't know whether she practiced it too. She did it 100 times better than me in the last song we did. I was like, she's like a Chupa Rustam. She's quietly learning it in Mumbai, and I like that dedication. It's something that she's very sincere to her work, and this Peddi needed a lot of sincerity in all of us, and I'm very, very happy. My dad and Ms. Sridevi ma'am had worked together. It was long wish for our family, our fans, and who appreciated this, our parents coming together and us. So it is like a nostalgic thing for all of us, and this pair will not disappoint you guys. It will really. She's done her best. So Satish Garu, thank you for your kind words. I wish I can translate exactly what he said. On YouTube, please select on YouTube you can select the language Hindi. Autocorrect hota tha. But yeah, he's really worked hard. He's the main man of this evening. It is because of him all of us are here, and he deserves every applause, every love, and your support he deserves. Telugu. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తెలుగు అభిమానులందరికీ పేరు పేరున నమస్తే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. యా చేయి బాగానే ఉంది. This is a small gift that Butchi has given me. So through the course of the film, I think last 25-30 days we were doing a Kusti Pailwan shoot, and I've asked him to get really trained artists, but he's got real Pailwans. Jab action bolte hain na, zordar pakadte hain, and that's what happened. So I have a cartilage there, but it's fine. It's worth it. It's a beautiful memory of Peddi. I'm going to have. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. So now, sir, I have yes, sir. Sir would like to say something.
I want to thank Sukumar Garu for introducing our man to me. Thank you so much.
Rambhai, this one's for you. talk to us. Of course, you talked about everyone here. Buchi Babu sir talked about you, of course. जो हमने समझा, sir say thank you so much. But here, talk to us about this transformation of yours. And physically नहीं था, because I'm sure emotional also, you know, emotionally it was really challenging. Talk to us about that, please.
I mean, like Mr. Rahman sir said, there was a lot of spiritual journey tha isme. Because physically it was very challenging. Thanks to, first of all, Salman sir and Amir sir for giving us and paying the path for such films like Sultan and Dangal. It gave us so much confidence. Thank you, sir. Thank you, both of you, for starting this journey. And it was, we believed that these kind of films had worked in the past.
Yeah.
And obviously we followed the same route, and the transformation was inevitable. It has to be done. It is part of the story. When he narrated to me, I remember in my house, वो नीचे अच्छा carpet डाल के पूरा script ऐसा रख के he was going by one reading, and 2 hours 40 minutes. I didn't have anything to say. I just got up and we started this journey. I knew it was going to be physically very, very tiring, and it's all worth it for this man and the subject he's written. It is a very, very sincere film. This is about a man's search for his identity. So everybody, we all need some kind of an identity to live, to go through the day. And this is about Piddi, who's finding his identity. वो identity crisis रहता है.
Right.
Through that, how he has found an identity for a very, very big reason, very, very larger cause, and what all he had to go through. The crossover athlete, क्यों crossover athlete बना है? So what led him to do what he is? The pain in Delhi, you saw. So it's a beautifully etched film. It is organic at the same time. It's highly commercial, and it will take audience of all ages will be very, very happy and surprised to see this film. And I also believe this is the most inspiring story I have done in my life. Not just me. My dad saw part of it, and he said, Ram, for anybody to get a film like this, it normally takes a decade. Har saal mein we can't have a Magadhira or RRR. It takes a while. He said, please relish every moment of this, because you're not going to get a movie like this again. So when my Magadhira happened in 2007, then RRR Rangasthalam, it took 10 years, but luckily now abhi to jaldi aa gaya ye film. So good films don't come very easily, and this is one of those films I want to keep in my library forever.
You just talked about RRR, sir. There's this observation, you know, people say जब आप bow and arrow उठाते हो तो भगवान राम का डायरेक्ट आशीर्वाद मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे it's a mace and a gada, so हनुमान जी का आशीर्वाद. Are you like the blessed, like the most blessed superhero that we have? ऊपर से बॉस की पूरी blessings मिल रही है.
Thank you.
है ना?
Completely needed. I mean, my name is Hanuman Ram Charan ke Tej. So I'm a big follower, and he's the god of kushti, you know.
Yes. What did you love the most, sir? Like kushti, cricket या क्या cross country क्या किया है मुझे नहीं पता है.
Cross country. Kushti, yaar. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, Janvi. Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course, Janvi is on top of the list. But I mean, it's physically challenging. I don't know how Amir sir and Salman sir has done it. I have a lot of injuries. But every single day there was this feeling where I want to wake up today and go to sets.
Right.
It was not like school जा रहे यार today कितना shooting करना है. No, I don't want to leave my sets. This is one of the first few movies where I didn't want to leave the sets. I want to wake up at 5, work out and go there. So ऐसे school boy जैसे था. So it is very interesting that feeling we should retain when we're doing a movie.
Right.
You know you're doing something right.
अब मैं कुछ करने वाला हूं, मुझे आपका नहीं पता, यहां सब लोग बोलेंगे आई एम डूइंग इट राइट. सो मैं चाहूंगा वो चिकरी थोड़ा सा चला दो एक बार आप लोग. एंड of course mega power star Ram Charan and Janvi Kapoor, I would request them to step
I told you
forward.
she's a chuppa Rustam. She would have practiced it better than me.
चलता है ना सर, चलता है. एक we would want you to talk about that. And of course, Rahman sir, people in Bhopal are, really, really excited for this. I would want the both of you to talk about it, sir.
I've never been to Bhopal yet. But what I can say is this song has transcended my fan group. I have 90s and 2000, hopefully from 2010. But I'm doing a song with Asha ji. I did a song with Asha ji. I wanted as a tribute. And after filming with her last year, unfortunately she passed away, I went down to the flats, and there was a little boy who came and asked for autograph. I said, what song has he listened of mine? So I was thinking he's going to say Rockstar or, Tamasha. He said, which song did you hear of mine? Like, Chikri. So, thank you guys. You got me to the next generation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Ram sir, you'd like to say something?
Yes, on 23rd, we're doing the next biggest event. That is the heart of India. From the center of India, the Madhya Pradesh. Like Devendu said, all this kind of movies, the sports in the Haryana, UP, all of these guys really love it. They own it, these kind of films. So we need all your blessings from Mumbai to Madhya Pradesh. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. This team के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. We'll do a quick picture. But उसके लिए sir, they also have a mace. वो mace भी लाए हैं. I think they would want you to pose with it, and they want our producer साहब, birthday boy, to have that mace with him. So where is it? That गदा दीजिए. In fact, देवेंदु भाई के हाथ में भी होना चाहिए कुछ, मुझे लगता है. Sir, this is for you. Devendu sir, we have something for you too. Sir को दे दो. We'll pose with this. Yes. So, yes, absolutely. Janvi, you'd like one? No, she's good. Okay. So we'll do a quick picture with the team, ladies and gentlemen. हाँ बैठा आप हाँ आइए Okay, एक बिना मेस के they would want yeah, take this. Thank you. Also, before we wrap this up, Satish sir, कुछ closing remarks if you'd like to say something to all the lovely people here.
Thank you everyone for coming here, and I want to thank Shivraj Kumar ji, who has done a nice character in this film, and also I want to thank Maitri Movie Makers and Sukumar Garu and Ishan Saxena, IVY, who has stood by me as a co-production of this film. Thank you.
And I'm very happy after such a successful film like Dhurandhar, Jio is on board for releasing it in Pan India. I'm really happy to be associated. Thank you, Jio. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll do a quick picture with the team. Yes, of course.
Yes, you are late.
We are not calling them. This is the... सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Of course, frame by frame, this is looking fantabulous. And to start with, I'd like to invite on stage the DOP of this film, ladies and gentlemen. Ratnavelu sir is here, a well-known DOP. Sir, मैं चाहूंगा please मंच पर आइए. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. The man who stole this story. Buchi Babu sir की vision को दिमाग में रखते हुए. Sir, thank you so much for being here, sir. And what would you like to say, sir? Thank you, sir. The man whose vision we just saw. Sir, please, what would you like to say, sir?
It's electrifying.
Let's just hear to what he has to say, right? सुन लेते हैं जी.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
Okay, what we'll do is we'll just listen to what sir has to say. सुन लेते हैं थोड़ा, है ना? जी. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, I mean it's a privilege and honor to be here. The atmosphere is electrifying. Yes. Nothing more. Fantastic. Love you, Mumbai. Carry on, Buchi.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ చరణ్ సార్, లవ్ యూ సో మచ్. ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ నాకు ఇచ్చినందుకు సెకండ్ ఫిల్మ్కే ఒక నిమిషం మాట్లాడాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ చరణ్ సార్. అన్నీ మర్చిపోతాను మళ్ళీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ప్లీజ్
हमारे पास ना बड़े सारे पहलवान है बाहर. 2 मिनट दो. सर क्या बोल रहे हैं?
అంటే నా సెకండ్ ఫిల్మ్కి చరణ్ సార్ ఎలాంటి ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇవ్వడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. నేను ఎప్పటికీ మిమ్మల్ని లైఫ్లో మర్చిపోను. మీరు ఈ సినిమా కోసం ఎంత కష్టపడ్డారో నాకు తెలుసు. మీకు చాలా ఇంజురీస్ కూడా అవి నేను ఇక్కడ చెప్పలేను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నేను మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడతాను. నాకు టెన్షన్గా ఉంది, నర్వస్ ఉంది ఫుల్. జాన్వి, థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీ హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్ గురించి ఏం మాట్లాడడానికి లేదు. చాలా హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్. మీరు చాలా పెద్ద హీరో అయినప్పుడు మీ మదర్ ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళిపోతారు. మీ మదర్ రేంజ్, మీ మదర్ ఏ రేంజ్కి రీచ్ అయ్యారో ఆ రేంజ్కి వెళ్తారు మీరు. శ్రీదేవి గారు థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ. రెహమాన్ సార్, మీతో వర్క్ చేయడం నా డ్రీమ్. నాకు అన్ని పాటలు హిట్ చేశారు. బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ మ్యూజిక్ నిన్నే విన్నాను. సెకండ్ హాఫ్ అదిరిపోయింది. ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ అదిరిపోయింది, సెకండ్ హాఫ్ కూడా వినాలి. మొన్న దివేందు సార్, లవ్ యూ సార్, లవ్ యూ సో మచ్, లవ్ యూ. మీరు ఈ సినిమాకి రావడం అన్నది అంటే జంజీ బ్యాచ్కి చాలా దగ్గర అయిపోయింది ఈ సినిమా మీరు రావడం వల్ల. థ్యాంక్ యూ మొన్నా సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. రాండీ సార్, మీరు నా కథకి లైఫ్ ఇచ్చారు. మీరు లేకపోతే పెద్ద సినిమా లేదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సతీష్ గారు, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. మా ప్రొడ్యూసర్ గారికి హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. ఈరోజు ఏ ప్రొడ్యూసర్కి ఇలాంటి అవకాశం రాదేమో. ఆయన ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ ట్రైలర్ రోజే ఆయన బర్త్డే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సతీష్ గారు. మీ మేడం ఏం అడిగితే అది ఇచ్చారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. అవినాష్ గారికి, ఎడిటర్ నవీన్ నూలి గారికి అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఇండియా, థ్యాంక్ యూ ముంబై, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
That was wow. All I can say is there is a lot of love. यहाँ पे बड़ी कमाल की बॉन्डिंग है, बहुत सारा प्यार है, बहुत सारा टैलेंट है. सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. So I would request the both of you to kindly stay. Yes, please बोलिए sir.
Actually, there's a drought in Hollywood as well as in India. We got a fantastic script. It's a very rooted rural film, which everyone is given a heart and soul. Firstly, it's Ram Charan's mind-blowing performance. He's completely transformed his body, mind, everything he has given for this film. And then Divyendu, no doubt, he's done an incredible performance. Janvi Kapoor, you're getting more fans in South. The kind of performance you've given. And the one and only Isai Puyal, yeah, Rahman sir. We are all fans, sir. This is my third film with you. Yet I feel like a fan moment with you. You've done a fantastic work. And my producer, Satish Kilar Garu, this is his first film, but yet he is such a passionate producer. Thanks for this movie, sir. Love to work with you. Love you, Cherry. Love you, everybody.
Ratnavelu sir and Buchi sir, I would request you to kindly stay back. Of course, now, ladies and gentlemen.
థ్యాంక్ యూ శివరాజ్ కుమార్ సార్ ఆల్సో. థ్యాంక్ యూ శివరాజ్ సార్. మీరు ఈ సినిమాలోకి రావడం చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది శివరాజ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
All right. सुनो ऐसा है, अब मैं जिनको बुलाने जा रहा हूं वो जब बोलते हैं ना हम सब शांत हो जाते हैं, तो एक काम करते हैं बुला लेते हैं मुन्ना भैया को. गिव इट अप फॉर दिव्येंदु लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अ वंडरफुल एक्टर हु इज हियर विद अस. वेलकम भाई, थैंक यू सो मच. गिव इट अप फॉर हिम. दिव्येंदु, वेलकम भाई, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड क्या बोलना चाहेंगे इस रिस्पॉन्स पे जो अभी मिला है, और ये बिल्कुल वेलकम मिला है आपको यहाँ पे?
It's amazing. Thank you everyone for coming here. आप लोगों का रिएक्शन देख के मज़ा आ गया, फिल्म का ट्रेलर देख के बहुत मज़ा आ गया, एंड आई एम जस्ट सो हैप्पी एंड ग्लैड दैट ऑल ऑफ अस आर हियर टुनाइट. आई मीन it's been such an incredible pleasure to be part of Peddi. Starting with Bucci sir, thank you. You were like so amazingly warm towards me, you know. Thank you sir. Randy sir, just how you used to just collaborate on what I could do and how you would capture it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Ram Garu, you're just amazing, man. Amazing. What a guy you are. Thank you so much for your love and warmth, and this looks amazing, smashing. Janvi, you look amazing.
Amazing. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And you're the lucky chap of this
Thank you.
film.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Thank you. You have done a great job for this
Thank
film.
you. Thank you, sir.
And Rahman, sir, really amazing. After a long gap in Telugu, it's all music, background score, whatnot, everything here you have given for this film. I think you have given your heart for this film. Thank you so much, sir. And really thank you. You have done a lot. And Jahnavi ji, you worked so hard for this film. And really you are very, very amazing. And there are so many things to say about you. Because I never felt anything, a point not none bad about you. And you are such an amazing person. And really, we thought of your mother when you are there on the sets. Very, very disciplined, and really very nice. I cannot express my feelings. Thank you. And Ramcharan sir. Ramcharan sir, one word of his brought me here today. At the time of Rangasthalam, he has given me a word that I will do a film to you. And here we are now. And he has done a film on a word, nothing else. To keep up his word, we worked very hard for this film. And this will be a sure shot blockbuster, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Many things to say, sir. Jai Charan.
He's very soft and very nice, lovable guy. But he said, can you give another tune? Can you give another tune? Can you change the voice? Right. But then that's what makes a person, excel, I think. All for the movie. All for you. Janvi, thank you. Yesterday I was watching your mother's movie. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. रहमान साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. And now let's do it properly, ladies and gentlemen. I think ये deserve करते हैं तालियां, सीटियां, and of course a lot of love and acknowledgement for his talent. The man जो अपने डेब्यू से ही हर किसी के दिलो दिमाग पे छा गए. बुच्ची बाबू के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. So I would want you to take the center stage, sir. Of course, now when Rahman sir has already told us that you're not a very aisa seedha sada vyakti. So, sir, what would you like to say? Thank you. Okay, so I would want him to talk about this cast, and of course, when Rahman sir talks about collaborating with him, and of course praises him, what would you want to say? He's like, understood, of course.
So I got my Telugu back because I have to speak only in Telugu.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. అది ముంబై వచ్చినట్లేదు ఇక్కడికి, ఏదో ఆంధ్రాలోనే విజయనగరంలోనే ఎక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ జరుగుతున్నట్టుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ. అంటే నేను ఈ స్టేజ్ మీద ఏమి మాట్లాడలేకపోతున్నాను, ఎందుకంటే ట్రైలర్ బయటకు వెళ్ళింది, అప్లాజ్ ఎలా ఉంది, నా ఫోన్ రింగ్ అవుతూ ఉంది, ఆ టెన్షన్లో ఉన్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
If you were to talk about Ramcharan sir's transformation, sir, समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि वो कुश्ती कर रहे हैं, क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, दौड़ भाग रहे हैं. He's doing everything. English. So what exactly is Ramcharan sir doing in this? Talk to us about his transformation, sir.
సార్ అంటే ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ చేయడం అంత ఈజీ కదండి. 3-4 మంత్స్లోనే మళ్ళీ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్, అంటే క్రికెటర్ టు రెజ్లింగ్ టు అనదర్ గేమ్ ఒకటి ఉంది. చరణ్ సార్కి చాలా కష్టం, టఫ్ అయిపోయింది. ఎందుకంటే బికాజ్ ఆ టైంలో తను మాల వేసుకున్నారు, స్వామి మాల, ఆ వెజిటేరియన్ బాడీ. నేను దగ్గర నుంచి చూసేవాడిని కదా, నేను డమ్మిల్ చేయడానికి ఒక సెట్ చేయడానికి ఒక రోజు జిమ్కి వెళ్తే ఒక 4-5 డేస్ వద్దురే బాబు మనకి ఎందుకు కష్టం అనుకుంటాం. అలాంటి టైంలో చరణ్ సార్ చాలా కష్టపడి, అంటే క్యారెక్టర్ హ్యాండిల్ చేయడం వేరు, చరణ్ సార్లో ఉన్న మాస్ అపీరెన్స్కి పెద్ద సరిపోతుంది. కానీ పెద్దిలో ఉన్న ఇన్నోసెన్స్ క్యారెక్టర్ పెద్దికి మాత్రం చరణ్ సారే సరిపోతారు. చరణ్ సార్ ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ చేయకపోతే పెద్ద ఎలా వస్తుందో నాకు ఇంకా టెన్షన్గా ఉండేది. థ్యాంక్ యూ చరణ్ సార్, ఇంత మంచి క్యారెక్టర్ మీరు నాకు సినిమాలో చేసి పెట్టినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ, లవ్ యూ సార్.
Buchi sir, thank you so much for sharing that. Satish sir, I would request you to kindly translate that, sir, because there are so many people who would want to know kya bola sir ne. Abhi last सुन लो ना, समझ लेंगे, अच्छा लगेगा. I know there's a lot of love here.
You want to explain?
He is saying Charan sir has worked hard in 3 intervals for
साथ काफ़ी कम सीन्स रहे हैं, बट होपफुली इन द फ्यूचर। रैंडी सर के साथ ये मेरा दूसरा फिल्म है, एंड आई थिंक आई लुक द बेस्ट in front of his camera, so thank you sir, always. It's always an honor to be a part of a film where Rahman sir is doing the music. It's I think our second collaboration together. It's been a complete honor. और ये जो इंसान है जो मेरे बगल में खड़े हैं, इन्होंने honestly he's changed me in so many ways. In fact I think एक पॉइंट पर मैं जिस तरह से इनको अभी कॉल करती हूँ ना, ये मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो गए। हर रोज़ मुझे एक कॉल तो करना ही पड़ता है बुच्ची सर को कि सर कैसे जा रहा है, सर डबिंग करे, फालतू की बातें करती हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि रोल तो ख़त्म हो गया है, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ आई थिंक इट जस्ट गोज़ टू शो द इन्वेस्टमेंट। इवन सतीश कारू, इन्होंने मुझे इतना अपनापन दिया है सेट पर। I feel like there's a genuine sense of ownership with the film, and it is genuinely one of the biggest honors of my life to have worked with Ram sir and to see what he's given this film. And I think because of all of the love that everyone's obviously given Mom and Chiranjeevi sir throughout the years, I understand कि एक बहुत ही अलग टाइप का जुड़ाव है लोगों को हमारे साथ, एंड इट मीन्स अ लॉट टू अस, बट इट फेल्ट वेरी कॉस्मिक टू कम टुगेदर फॉर अ वेरी स्पेशल फिल्म विथ हिम एंड टू गेट टू नो हिम एज अ पर्सन, बिकॉज he's the best person. He really is the best person. So I hope that you all enjoy everything he's given to the film, because we've all given a piece of our hearts to the film. So yeah. बहुत भाषण दे दिया, अभी क्या सवाल पूछेंगे आप?
मैं सिर्फ यही पूछना चाहता हूँ, लुक देख के हम लोग तो सब एकदम ऐसे हो गए कि वाओ जानवी, और ऐसे आपके लिए जब पहली बार अपना ये लुक देखा था तो क्या व्हाट वाज दैट फर्स्ट थिंग जो दिमाग में आई थी?
मैं तो सर इनके कन्विक्शन पे जा रही थी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही हटके डायरेक्शंस देते थे मुझे कि जीप के साथ ये करो, स्कर्ट के साथ ये करो, ऐसे बात करो। तो ये कैरेक्टर का जो अंदाज है, जो तेवर है, वो बहुत हटके है, बहुत अतरंगी है। So yeah, I've gone completely on his conviction. कोमल सर रिव्यू जब देंगे ना, जो भी मैंने किया आप इनका नाम लीजिए। But really it was so exciting, क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से इन पिछले 2 सालों में मैं बहुत खुल गई हूँ, एंड उसका क्रेडिट सिर्फ ये फिल्म को जाता है और बुच्ची सर को जाता है। So thank you सर।
वाओ। और मुझे जो स्पेशल चीज़ पता लगी, बिकॉज व्हाइल आई वाज कमिंग इनसाइड, यू नो, बहुत सारे लोग हैदराबाद से, वाइजैक से आए हैं, वो स्पेशली दे वांटेड टू टॉक, हाँ, दैट तेलुगु कनेक्शन, यू नो, वो एक इमोशन है जो कि चलता चले जा रहा है। टॉक टू अस अबाउट दैट। ये क्या है, हो क्या रहा है ये? यू नो, दे लव यू डाउन साउथ, एंड स्पेशली तेलुगु कनेक्शन जो है ये बड़ा इमोशनल है।
मैं बॉम्बे में रहती हूँ, लेकिन मेरा घर तो वहाँ ही है। अंदरिकी नमस्कारम। इतना प्यार जब मिलता है तो घर से ज़्यादा, सबसे ज़्यादा लगाव वहीं लगता है मुझे। सो या, एंड आई होप कि मैं वहाँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम करती रहूँगी, एंड आई होप आई मेक एवरीवन हैप्पी।
वाओ, लेडीज एंड